What is happening, guys? Oh man, here we go with another POV as usual. Nothing's changed. Oh man, but I hope you guys are doing great. I feel amazing. I woke up this morning, had a great breakfast, and now I am ready to body this shoot. I'm ready to body it. I'm ready to. So I feel confident in this video. Oh man. Yeah, also, thank you guys, because we finally hit 200 subscribers. Very nice, very beautiful. I really love it a lot. I love the support. I love just all the love you guys been giving me in the comments. I really do, because I do not deserve it at all. I don't deserve it. You know, I'm not entitled to your likes. I'm not entitled to your comments. And I don't need you guys to subscribe to the channel, but you guys do, and I really appreciate the love. But with that being said, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I make videos every single week. And if you are already subscribed, welcome back. Glad to have you here with us. And yeah, let's get into this POV. Center that. Okay, that's good. Things are ready. we gotta do, right? Take some pictures, man. Battery just ran out. I just changed it just now, but oh man, I just took another photo. I'm telling you, like the 50mm is just so clean. It's so clean. Like the focus is incredible, especially on a mirrorless camera like the M50. Oh my gosh, man, it's just crazy. Now, I will say this in advance. I do plan on investing in a Sony camera very soon. I can't tell you which one it is yet, but I will be experimenting with a Sony mirrorless camera. Reason why is because I want to one day get a full frame camera, but do I want to stick with Canon or do I want to stick with Sony? We don't know. But me buying a Sony mirrorless camera will help me make that decision. I get to compare both the M50 and the Sony mirrorless cameras together, see how they compete and compare with each other, and then that'll make my decision. But for now, this is getting the job done. Like that shot, like I wish I would have showed you. I wish I would have, like my camera was rolling. I wish I was recording when I took the shot. Because I'll put it near the screen now, but look at this shot. Like, it's so clean. The focus is so clean. Like, oh my gosh. Like, imagine if I use a Sony camera. That's so clean. So I'll get this shot over here. Cool. Oh man, this is gonna be a very long video. So I hope you guys got your popcorn. Hope you got your tea, your soda, your juice, whatever, your beer. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you guys are loving it, enjoying it, hit that like button, you know, for the YouTube algorithm. So when you're doing that, let YouTube know, hey, you like this video. Let's share it with other people who might also like this video. And also too, if you're new as well, please subscribe to the channel. It does help me out a lot. You know, it costs you nothing, but it does help me out a long way for this YouTube journey.